You guys had it for 1 month diagnosing it, man. You guys already had your chance. You guys, I didn't bug you guys at all. I didn't call for any reason to bug or anything. I let you guys do your work without being rushed, so there's no way for you to be rushed about my car. But you still did other people's cars way ahead before mine. Because I told you the main Instagram message, the reason why I brought it was the 2A98, 2A99 code. Okay. No anything else, nothing more, nothing less.
Understood. So now you're getting both codes. When you sent me the picture, it
was
one.
Yeah, but I drove all the way here and then the other one popped up, bro.
Gotcha.
I drove back home just fine. Yeah, I did. But I turned on my car the very next morning. And you know what? The same 2 codes popped up. I delete the codes. The other one popped up, but the other one didn't. But I deleted the code. I'm like, you know what? Maybe it's a glitch. You remember how you told me go to the adaptations, reset the adaptations? I reset all the adaptations. Everything like I said. Even I did notice too. What I did notice when I did take the car, because obviously I got 1 block away and the alternator died. If you would have test drove it before I would have test drove it, you would have had the car a little longer. You did have it for a very long time, so you could have test driven it after fixing it. Just because you set it back further than what you told me to originally. Originally you told me 3 days. 3 days and it's turned 3 weeks. You could have called me. You had my phone number. I left all that information. There's no reason for you to set back my stuff.
After I got your phone number, that's when I called you.
I dropped off my. Who's gonna drop off a $10,000 car without leaving a phone number?
All right.
I was
Giovanni. I understand. I understand.
No.
It's pointless to continue.
No.
Listen,
Well, okay, it's pointless.
I apologize, and I'm going to refund you your money as I promised.
What does it say?
I know. I see that.
Okay, then let's get started because I gotta go take it somewhere else. And you know what? Also, too, I find it very disrespectful that you took off Speed Logic stickers and put your guys' Position Dynamics sticker, removed my license plate cover that said Speed Logic. I would have gladly put your sticker on my car, but you know what? You removed it without my permission, my consent. This is my property. I gave you permission to work on it, but not to do what you want to as far as other things. I would have had no problem slapping your sticker on it.
It has both video points. They just got to adjust some of the numbers.